Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Let's start by opening the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding up button. Once the menu opens, you should see the option called watch face. Select it and then press the start button to enter. It will open the watch face menu, and here you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, select it and then press the start button. Once you see this menu, you should see the apply option. Select it and then press the start button to apply the watch face. You can also customize watch faces, so if we open the menu again, select watch face, press start, select the watch face you want to use, press start, select the apply, rather not apply but customize option, then press start. We can change a couple of things. We can change the layout, so if you select layout option and press start, you'll be able to change the layout of the watch. Then you can press start to confirm, select seconds, change the looks of second meter, and press start. Next we have data. Here we can select how the data is being displayed on your watch face, or what type of data. Then we have accent color. Then we have background color. And once you're done, you can select done and press start. And the settings will be applied. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.